Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have the January CatLady Box. I love this box. My cats love this box. I'm so excited because the Cat Lady contacted me, and the CatLady Box, I should say, contacted me, and I'm doing a giveaway in this video. So I'm just super excited about it because I just love them. I think they're just a wonderful company, and they send this to me free for a review each month, and we just adore it. And they're so good to me. They're so good to me, and they'll be so good to you too if you join their subscription. So this was sealed here, and I did cut it. And Camille sat down here. They all just got done eating, so they're a little bit on the lazy side. So this box is a great box, great repurposed box for lots of things. It's very well crafted. My cats love it as a bed. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. There's tissue and a seal, and this is the beautiful card. There's always a beautiful card, and they do feature an artist. So the featured cat artist is Art by K. Rae. R-A-E is how she spells her name. And the theme for January is Hug All the Cats. So very happy theme. So this says Michigan-based artist Art by K. Rae brings the silliness and humor of cats to life through her artwork. She aims to capture the quirky personalities and mischievous antics of kitties, reminding her audience of the joy and unconditional love they bring. More than just adorable, K. Rae's art aims to make the world a better place, one smile at a time. Explore her world of wonder and find prints, stickers, and pins at artbykray.com. And isn't that cute? Look at, there's different kitties and pretty colors and everything. I love it. I love it. They're all looking down at the camera is what it looks like to me. So this card also tells us what's in the box and the value of each item. And then also every month they tell us because people subscribe, they're able to make donations. So Cat Lady cares. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Meow Parlor, Cat Angels Pet Adoptions, Happy Tales Cat Rescue, Louisiana SPCA, plus 28 more. Oh, that's fantastic. Wow. Holiday time, hopefully, they have even more subscribers. That's wonderful. I'm so excited. It says on this, there's a bonus extra item in this box. Our surprise gift to you, we threw in a special subscriber favorite item from one of our past boxes for free. We hope you love it. Yay! And then they want you to share your pictures and all. And I'll share them on Instagram. I'll share this on Instagram so you can see. I'm a little behind on my Instagram stuff, so please bear with me. Just, had a rough week. So let's see what's in here. This might be my, let's see, I'm looking at what's on the card. This, I think, is my special bonus item. It's really cute. It says meow on it, and it's pink. Let's see what it is. It looks like some sort of nice bag, some sort of nice tote. Oh, it's, all right, where's it? It says meow right there. Can you see that? And it's a really nice bright pink, and it's a nice like makeup case, or probably you can use it for many things. It says Cat Lady on the inside right here. The tag says Cat Lady. CatLady Box. And I should tell you that I believe the CatLady Box starts at $34.99, and that's per month. And then you can, if you get the Cat Lady, the Crazy CatLady Box has toys for your cats. The CatLady Box does not have the toys, so it's just for you. So this is, even though the cats still love the box, no matter what you got, this is wonderful. It's a really nice big case, and it's lined with a nice satin. I love it. Thank you, CatLady Box. That's my special gift. Camille is all over this box. Can I get in there, love? Don't be chewing on that tissue. All right, we're going to start off with this because it's the first thing that she would let me get. These are Meowtivational coasters. These are nice. Okay. It says Michigan. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm reading about the artist again. Perfectly positive messages to meowtivate you to make this year a meowsing. The value of this is $11.99. There's 4 of them. And this one says, always dance like the red dot is just out of reach. When the path gets tough, remember you've got claws. This one says, every day is a new chance to pounce on happiness and be the person your cat thinks you are. So these are great. They're cork, so they will absorb. You know, your glass has, you know, condensation on it. These will absorb that. That's great. And then we have this. Okay, y'all, calm down. They're all coming up now. This is Paw Ramus. They change all the words to be cat words. Paw Ramus ring. Okay, Blue and Smudge. The perfect, I can't say them all, ring to remind yourself of your promise to hug all the cats. All right. The value is $14.99. All right, come on. Oh, they're all over the box. You know, the cats' toys are so much fun. They love the cat toys. All right, so let me take this out of here and we'll look at it. Let's see if I can get this off of here. This is an adjustable ring, I do believe, by the picture. Yes. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know if I'll be able to, I'll try to show you, but they're little paw prints that go all around, and it is adjustable. See, it's open right here. So you can get that to fit on, you know, any finger just by widening it a little bit. So let me widen that one. I have big fingers, so put it there for now. Isn't that cute, y'all? That is $14.99 value. They're all in the box. What y'all doing? They won't let me in the box. They're all over everything, y'all. Okay, this is a huggable catnip kicker toy. This toy right here is what Blue is after. This says kitties won't be able to resist hugging and kicking this handmade catnippy cat. The value is $5.99. It says hug me on it, and it's a kitty. And you know, Blue likes to hold these, and then they kick at the bottom. So, and then it has catnip in there. So he's loving it already, and I mean, he's taken it out of the box. I had to go get it from him. And then the other cat toy is this Catitude Journal catnip toy. This, let's look at this. Oh, this is really cool. It's a Catitude journal, and it is furry, and I feel stuff in there. You know, the catnip. There's catnip in there. I'll take, and oh, and it's got like, can you hear? It's got that kind of stuff that they love to hear the sound of. Let me see what it says about this one. Forget gratitude journals. Here's one your cat will really get into. Value $5.99. So they're gonna love that one too. You like that, Blue? He's right here trying to get on everything. And then, y'all, the wearable this month is a sweatshirt. It says cat cuddling sweatshirt. Grab a kitty and hug them tight in this comfy, cozy sweatshirt. The value is $27.99. Blue, can I get it? I almost had it out, y'all, and then he got in there even deeper. Okay, I'm gonna, all right, good boy. Whoops, okay, you can stay in there. Oh, this is a nice, oh, it's warm, just touching it, I can feel it. Let me move back a little bit so you can see it. This is it. It says, this is my cat cuddling sweatshirt. I love it. Oh, and I need it. It's very cold here. It's been cold. You know, I know it's cold all over the country. There's all kinds of weather going on. People are getting slammed with snow. We got a ton of rain, y'all, which we really need it. So that's okay. We need it. So that is my CatLady box this month, this fabulous sweatshirt. And I get a plus size. You can get regular size, plus size. We've got this kicking toy that Blue is desperate for. I'm going to have to take the tags off for him. And this Catitude journal, love that. And this cute little ring, which is adjustable, like I said. It's so cute. The Paw Ramus, the promise ring. You got it, Blue? You got it? And then the coasters, y'all. So this is a really fun box. We love it. Can you tell we love it? I will get you some pictures of the cats. And I also have a giveaway. CatLady Box asked me to do a giveaway, so I'm so excited. So this is going to run for 2 weeks, and I'll put the dates below. And I'm just, let's see, CatLady really has nothing to do with this, but they're going to give a gift certificate to someone. I'm going to pick a winner in 2 weeks, and that winner is going to win a gift certificate to get a box from CatLady Box. And just so you know, something new that they're doing is they're making, you're seeing this month's box, and this month's box is available. And they're going to keep it available through the whole month. So if you win the gift certificate, you can get this box if you want, or you can ask them to send you the February box, you know, whatever you want to do. So it's just a fun giveaway that they're doing, and I'm just so excited that they asked me to do this. And so I want to say that they're not responsible for it, but they will. I'm sure that what they're going to do is they're going to send me, I think, the gift certificate like an email, and then I'll just forward it to whoever wins, I believe. And you can live in the USA or in Canada. They've delivered to Canada as well. So that's exciting. And you should be 18 years or older, and you should be subscribed to my channel. And there's all kinds of rules that I have below, so look for those. And that's it, I believe. I'm just so excited. All right, so what we got, I did tell you that the toys, I showed you everything. I got this free gift just for being a member. I love it. It's like vinyl or pleather, and it's really big. Look how big it is. This is a great makeup bag. That's what I'll be using it for, is for makeup. It's really cute. And it does have it says inside CatLady Box on the label here. I'm so excited. Thank you, CatLady Box. We love it. And I'll try to get some video of them if I can. And also, I've been trying to tell you all what I'm wearing because people have asked me. So on my eyes today, I'm wearing the Natasha Denona Retro Palette, which I do believe I received this palette from my dear friend Cece from Cece's Trail Size Life. She also has another channel called Panting for Goals, and I'll put both of those down there. This is what it looks like inside. And you can see I do love this palette. I use it and I love it. And on my lips, I have this lippy. And this lippy is called, let me find, I had my magnifying glass a second ago, and now, of course, they move things around. It's called Ready for Lust. And this is the Elton John Charlotte Tilbury collaboration lippy. And I received this from Terry. And Terry's channel is Terry's Inspirational World. She's also a wonderful friend. And this, I love it. It's gorgeous. I love it. And that's what I have on right now. So that's what I'm wearing today. And y'all, count your blessings. Thanks for stopping by. And don't forget about the giveaway. And I'm sure I'm forgetting things. It'll all be in the description. How to reach CatLady Box. And yeah, y'all take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all. Blue, you like that toy? I think he's nursing on that. Oh, there's Smudge. Hey, Smudge. Well, I've got to get the tags off of those toys before you guys can play with them, okay? Yeah, I really do. Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue. Camille, are you coming over? She's trying to get over here. Okay, we'll get the tags off. And let me get a couple pictures first. Oh, yeah, he's got that all wet. He's already, that's his toy. That's, uh-oh, Camille. Are you, oh, my goodness. Camille. Camille, don't beat up on Smudge. I mean, Blue. Camille. Oh, she's so naughty. Blue, you're so sweet. You're in the CatLady Box. Let's show them. They love the CatLady Box. All around. They love the box. They love it. Blue, I'm trying to take some pictures. You gonna let me take some pictures? Not really. Can I take some pictures, Blue? I'll get these tags off so you guys can play. They love the toys. You can see they love the toys. Camille was here, but she left. Blue, I want to put that sweatshirt on if you don't mind. Oh, I gotta get the tag off, Smudge. Yo, I need my sweatshirt. Can I get my sweatshirt? You like it, huh? Woo! Don't fall off, love. Camille, did you play with the toys, love? Smudge, are you playing? You all wiped out. They're sitting on my sweatshirt. I need to get a picture of it for Instagram. Hey there, lovey. You all right? They're wore out, y'all. Thank you so much, CatLady Box.